Lace closure sewn, everything you need to know before getting one in 2026. Hair extensions have become an essential part of modern hairstyling, offering an easy way to achieve longer, fuller, and more versatile hairstyles. Among the many installation techniques available today, the lace closure sewn has become one of the most popular methods for creating a natural-looking finish while protecting natural hair. By combining hair bundles with a lace closure piece that mimics the scalp, this technique allows stylists to achieve seamless results without leaving natural hair exposed. Because of its realistic appearance and protective benefits, the lace closure sewn-in is widely used by both professional stylists and everyday hair extension wearers. However, choosing the right closure size and understanding how the installation works are important for achieving the best results. In this guide, we will explore everything you need to know before getting a lace closure sewn, including the differences between common closure types and how to maintain the style for long-lasting beauty. https://thenanhr.com/lace-closure-need-to-no-and-20 to 6 Hashtag lace closures when hashtag lace closure hashtag to X6 lace closure number 4 X for lace closure number 5 by 5 lace closure.